the government of India continuously makes efforts to see that the poverty line falls in India, that is, the people rise above poverty line. And the various measures taken by the government of India are, first of all, a scheme called National Food for Work Program, which means the people get food grains at a subsidized price, so that there are people who cannot afford 2 times meal and they are able to get the kind of nutritional requirements that they must have. Then is the Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, which aims at giving employment to the educated unemployed youth. Then is Rural Employment Generation Program. According to this, employment is being granted to the youth in the villages. Then is Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. Under this Yojana or under this scheme, the government sees to it that the people get self-employed, that is Swarojgar, and in this the bank gives them loan, and also the government subsidy is available to the people willing to start their own small work or cottage industries or any kind of work which would generate employment. Then is the Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana. Under this, all kind of facilities, whether it is health, education, transport or any such thing, is being provided to the people of India. Then is the Antodaya Anna Yojana, which was started in 2000. According to this, all the people who are poor and cannot afford to buy a good meal are being provided grains at subsidized rate. So, these are the various measures which the government of India keeps on implementing in order to see that the poverty rate in India is declined.